This is the story of living simply in Sicily. Why don't you come along with us and sing along the way? If you had a favorite group that you used to sing with, try and imagine you can still hear them now.
Hi, I'm Gigi.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're living simply in Sicily. Today we are taking a last-ditch effort to try to find a property, and we're in the town of Aci Catena. So we decided to look at this property. We haven't really heard back from the people, but
No.
We're hoping that we will at some point, although they do say that there's an open house, so we're going to try to do that. So we'll take you along with us.
Please turn next left.
These roads don't even look like roads. You're on an adventure with us. Oh my gosh. Straight. Closer to Etna here.
Yep.
So you're smoking.
Turn right after 250
So you can see how the houses go up the hill to the mountains. And over here, you can see our Etna. Oh, this is a much better road. You can actually fit 2 cars down this road. What are they selling? Right now, cherries are in season. Look at all those cherries. We have to stop.
Down there, you know.
Right. Okay, we got our cherries. Now we're gonna go look at this property, or at least the town that it's in. We don't have an appointment. Very, very hard to get people to give you appointments here, but we're gonna go look to see if we want to even be on that area. This area right here. I don't know if this is I don't know if this is Aci Catena yet, or if it's part of, I don't know, Aci Castello maybe.
Turn right, then take the next left turn immediately.
Well, I love you madly, dear, and I need you badly, dear. Why did you leave me here without your love?
We're in the village of Aci Catena. I think somewhere between Aci Catena and Aci San Felipe. This
Okay.
2 villages pretty close together. And we're looking at a rooftop or a penthouse type apartment that's for sale.
Right. Okay, let's go walk around the area
We're
and
going to
see
check
if we
out
like
the
it.
we're going to check out the neighborhood first.
All right. So the sidewalks are walkable. For me, this is important to have a way that you can walk safely. So the sidewalks are wide enough, and I'm not going to get run over by a car. So the way the garages are, you have to come down underneath the house, and you come down into these underground garages. Jeff went in and turned the lights on for us. So some of them have access from the garage, but I think this was outer access, Jeff?
Yeah, I think it's an external.
External.
You basically come out the front door and down the ramp and right over.
So this is where you would park. What do you think of this property now that we've come off the street?
Well, now that we've come in around behind it, like you said, up off the main drag, the building actually sits, as you can see over my shoulder, it sits behind the line of buildings that actually border the main road. And you can tell right now there's hardly any noise back here. It's all absorbed by those buildings. So that's a good thing. And it's something that we're now definitely interested in looking at the inside of it. Today we just came by to check out the area and see if there was anything that was sticking out that would be detrimental that we would have no interest in. But it's a busy area, but it's worth looking at.
Okay. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.